A is for anaconda. Anacondas are reptiles. They are cold-blooded and vertebrates. Anacondas have spots. They live in the swamps of South America. These snakes eat pigs, deers, birds, and fish. They are the largest snakes in the world. The anaconda's mom keeps her eggs in her belly until the baby snakes are ready to hatch.
B is for bear. Polar bears are mammals. All mammals are warm-blooded and viviparous. Polar bears have white fur. They have sharp toes, black eyes, and a black nose. Polar bears live in icy Arctic areas. They eat seals, oars, and other marine animals. C is for clownfish, mammals of fish. Clownfish are cold-blooded and have gills. Clownfish are orange and they have stripes. They live in coral reefs and eat algae. Their biggest enemy are humans because they capture them and put them in aquariums. Sharks, eels, and whales are their predators.
D is for dolphin. Dolphins are mammals. Mammals are vertebrates, and mammal mummies make milk for their babies. Dolphins can be white, black, or gray. They have a blowhole and flippers. Dolphins are medium-sized with shiny, smooth bodies. They have tails and black eyes. Dolphins live in tropical coastal waters. Dolphins eat squid, shrimp, and fish. Some dolphins have 130 teeth.
E is for elephants. Elephants are mammals. They are vertebrates, have limbs and hair. Elephants are gray and wrinkly. Some elephants have tusks and they live in forests and flat plains. Elephants eat grass, tree bark, roots, and leaves. They are the largest creature on land.
F is for frog. Frogs are amphibians. They are oviparous animals that are slimy and have fat bellies. Frogs come in different colors and have long legs. They live in rainforests and swamplands. Frogs have long tongues to help them catch insects, worms, and small fish.
G is for giraffes. Giraffes are mammals. They are warm-blooded, have fur, and have lungs. Giraffes have horns and short tails. They also have orange spots and small noses. Giraffes live in savannas and eat leaves and twigs. Giraffes have long tongues and necks. They can go for weeks without water. H is for horse. Horses are mammals. They have backbones. They have 4 legs and hooves. Horses also have tail, ears, and a mane. Horses live in grassy land. They eat carrots, sugar cubes, apples. Their sense of hearing is better than ours. There are more than 300 different kinds of horses, and they sleep standing up. I is for iguanas. Iguanas are reptiles. They have backbone and are cold-blooded. Iguanas are yellow and green and have claws. Iguanas live in the rainforest and eat leaves, flowers, and insects. They have long tongue and can change color.
J is for jaguar. Jaguars are mammals. Jaguars have fur and are warm-blooded. They are also viviparous and have lungs. Jaguars look like big, mean cats with lots of spots. They have 4 legs and a tail. Jaguars also have 2 ears, a head, and 10 sharp nails. Jaguars live in rainforests of South and Central America. These animals eat mammals, reptiles, birds, and eggs. They are nocturnal. This means they hunt at night. Their long legs help these animals to run fast, and their strong jaws can kill animals with a bite on the neck.
K is for kangaroo. Kangaroos are mammals. They have fur. They have tiny babies. Kangaroos are tan or gray. They are 200 pounds and they are 6 feet tall. Kangaroos live in Australia. They like to eat grass, leaves, and roots.
L is for lion. Lions are mammals. Mammals take care of their babies, and mammals have fur. Lions have claws. They live in wooden grassland of India and Africa. Lions eat zebras, hippos, and rhinos. Boy lions are lazy because the girl lions hunt for food. Lions are in the cat family.
M is for monkeys. Monkeys are mammals. They have fur. Monkeys are 2 to 4 feet tall. Monkeys can be tan, black, or white. Monkeys have long tails. They live in the forests and mountains around the world. Monkeys like to eat roots, nuts, leaves, and fruits. Monkeys have 5 fingers.
N is for newts. Newts are small amphibians. They lay eggs. Newts are bright. They are 3 to 4 inches long. They live in moist areas. Newts eat worms, insects, and small fish.
O is for otter. Sea otters are mammals. Mammals are vertebrates and they are warm-blooded. Sea otters live close to the shore. They have brown fur, a tail, are medium-sized with webbed feet. Sea otters eat sea urchins, clam, and crab. Sea otters sleep on water and wrap themselves with seaweed.
P is for penguin. Penguins are birds. Birds are oviparous. Penguins have flippers, small feet, and live in Antarctica. Penguins eat fish, crab, and squid. Penguins do not fly. They waddle and slide on their bellies.
Q is for quail. Quails are birds. They have feathers and they lay eggs. Quails are small birds. They are brown, black, and white. They live in woodlands and forests. Quails eat seeds and leaves. R is for rhinos. Rhinos are large mammals. They give live birth. They have thick skin. Rhinos have nose horns. They are gray. Rhinos live in African and Asian grasslands, and they eat grass and other plants. Rhinos are related to horses. They like to live alone.
S is for sharks. Sharks are fish. Sharks have backbones and have cartilage. They are cold-blooded and or ectothermic. Sharks are smooth and gray. They are dangerous and can be over 20 feet long. Sharks live in oceans and all over the world. They eat dolphins, fish, and seals. Their biggest enemy is humans. T is for turtle. Turtles are reptiles. Reptiles are vertebrates and are cold-blooded. Turtles are green and medium-sized. They have hard shells and long, strong flippers. Turtles live in and near water. Turtles can eat without teeth. They tear their food with their strong beaks. Turtles eat crabfish, jellyfish, and seaweed. U is for umbrella bird. Umbrella birds have black feathers. They have backbones, which makes them are vertebrates. Umbrella birds are warm-blooded. The feathers on the top of their head look like umbrellas. They live in the rainforest of South America. Umbrella birds eat spiders, frogs, and insects. Their enemies are monkeys, snakes, hawks, and eagles. V is for vampire bats. Vampire bats are mammals. They are vertebrates, warm-blooded, and have lungs. Vampire bats are brown and black. They have wings. They also have little feet and big ears. Vampire bats eat insects, mice, and tiny bats. They live in caves and under bridges. Bats can fly. Wait. X is for X-ray fish. X for X-ray. X-ray fish are fish. X-ray fish are fish. Fish lay eggs. Fish lay eggs. They are silver. X-ray fish live in the Amazon. X-ray fish live in Amazon. They eat worms and insects. Y is for yak. A yak is a mammal because yaks have backbones and it gives live birth. It has big white horns and a
one hairy body.
It walks on 4 legs.
It runs 25 miles per hour.
It lives in the alpine meadows of Tibet.
Yaks eat grass, herb, and mosses.
They weigh 300 to 1,000 kilograms.
Yaks swallow their food, then regurgitate their food into their mouth and chew it.
Z is for zebra. Zebras are mammals. They are vertebrates and have fur. Zebras are warm-blooded, have lungs, and are viviparous. Zebras have black and white stripes and have 4 legs with hooves. They also have a tail. Zebras live in grasslands and eat grass. Predators of zebras are leopards and lions. Zebras are wild horses